तरीका डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है। ये कोई एक यूनिफॉर्म हो इसके लिए कोई इंसिस्टेंस नहीं है, लेकिन आप जो बेस्ट तरीका असेसमेंट का हो, बेस्ट तरीका डिलीवरी का हो, वो आज 2 दिन में आप इसके ऊपर काम करें। बुक पे या बुक पे काम करेंगे तो आप स्किल कमेटी के पास अगर आएंगे तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि उसको प्रॉपर पब्लिकेशन भी हो, उसको ISBN नंबर मिले और आपके नाम से उसका पब्लिकेशन हो, और जो हमारे कोर्सेज हैं उसमें रिकमेंडेड रीडिंग्स में उस बुक का नाम भी आए।
I think when we look at the education landscape, a lot has changed in the last couple of years, and the most that prominent changes that are happening are through the School of Open Learning. I represent Shaheed Sukhdev College of Business Studies, and my experience with this institution, almost I would say since the time this college started in 1987, from 1988 onwards I have been with this institution. And what we came across and the results are, the outcomes have been that the placements of our college students have been very good. Skill enhancement courses that came through the national education policy, which we implemented in our university. And at some point in time, I got associated with her and we started working as a team.
The skill courses that we had launched 2 years back will be further strengthened by including those faculty members who are teaching these skill courses, and we will be opening them for the suggestions for the continuous evaluation which is to be performed in view of the evaluation pattern that has come up.